What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the Beat Majors channel. It's your boy Young Heat, and I'm back today with another loop kit. Today is free though. This is a free loop kit right here. This is called the Solar Eclipse loop kit, and you can get this right at boatloadkits.com. That's our sound kit site. Go right here to the free stuff tab and hit the free stuff, and there's a couple free kits out right now. We have a free gross beat bank with 20 presets in that bank, and then 20 plus, actually 20 or more. And then we have this Solar Eclipse loop kit here. And that's totally free. All you have to do is go to the site, add to your cart, check out, and the download link will be available for you. There are 5 melody loops in this kit, and I wanted to just kind of go through these loops just so you guys can, see what's in it, and then, hit the link in the description and grab them up. If you like this kit, or if you like, what's going on here, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button and share this video as much as possible. Help your other producer friends, help our producer friends, help the producer community get this free kit. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go through some of these loops just so you guys can hear what they sound like really quick. Let's get into it. So those are the 5 loops right there in this free kit. You guys can get this free kit right on boatloadkits.com. Make sure you guys go grab this kit up right here in the free stuff section of boatloadkits.com. Again, if you guys like this kit, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button, and please hit that bell button so you don't miss any more videos. And go grab these two kits up right here. If you guys use gross beat, if you guys want the loop kit, grab it up. Go cop that. Go grab those up. So until next time, guys, again, I appreciate everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for liking our videos. Thank you for showing so much love. And until next time, y'all, I will holla. Peace.